Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing morph transition template in PowerPoint in just a few minutes. Plus, you can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you're gonna do is open up a PowerPoint template which have to be blank, then remove all of the stuff on it. Go to format background and you're gonna go to color and choose this fourth number gray color. Now close the format background. What you're gonna do is go into tab and pictures, and from here we're gonna add a wooden table surface image. We're gonna go to crop and crop it to this much width, and the size is gonna be the same as the length of the whole template. Next, what we're gonna do is go to shapes and insert a large circle, and let's just decrease its size. Here you go. Next, we're gonna put it half or a bit less on the wooden table surface. Go to format shape and remove its outline. Give it a picture texture fill, and we're just gonna add a picture in it. But make sure that the whole picture is in the circle and the outline of it, the circle doesn't overlap with the picture content. So we're gonna crop it, and then we're gonna decrease the size of the picture, and then we're gonna increase the size of the circle so that we can easily see what the picture is about. And we're gonna rotate it to a specific look like angle. Make sure that that option that says rotate with shape is turned off in the format shape background. So what we're gonna do next is insert a text box on top in which we're gonna add our text, which is gonna be some numbering. As this is the number one template, we're gonna add 01 numbering, and we're gonna decrease the letter spacing of this text box and change its color to light pink. And the font I'm going to use is a Harani font. Now we're going to go to shapes and insert another text box in which we're going to add our header. And the header in this case is going to be pizza because we're going to making a template on pizza. So next what we're going to do is just increase the text size and put our like text in it, and we're going to change its fill to white and put it in a nice and in proper alignment with the top text. Next, what we're going to do is add our content text. We're going to change its fill to white and change its font to a very thin font. And next, what we're going to do is just adjust it right here, give it the left side alignment, and go to color and give it this fifth number gray color. And we're going to give it line spacing of about 1.5, and this looks just right. Select all of it and then move it to the right side. Now we're gonna duplicate this template. We're gonna change the numbering, and next we're gonna add the title, which we're gonna customize. And then what we're gonna do is select this image, go to format shape, and then click on insert, and we're gonna add another different image of any food into it, or whatever image you're gonna use. Make sure that this thing or the picture you're gonna use is in a circle, and it is also without a background. So we'll just call it a PNG. Next, we're gonna add our other picture. So the picture I'm gonna use is a bowl of ramen. Now we're gonna select these text boxes, the three of them, and paste them onto the first template. And while using a shift key, we're gonna just move them downwards out of the slide, but we're gonna keep it like with the same alignment as the upper text. Select all of the text boxes now and group them, and then copy them and paste them onto the second template after removing all of the text from the second template. And then we're gonna move the second text box onto the template using shift key. Next, we're gonna duplicate our second template, and we're gonna go to format a shape of the circle, go to insert tab, and we're gonna change the picture. We're gonna use another picture in it, and let's see. Here you go. Next, we're gonna rotate it into a different direction. Make sure to rotate all of your pictures into different direction in each template. Next, what we're gonna do is just ungroup all of the text boxes and select this text box, these three ones that select all of them, and we're gonna group them, move them out of the slide upwards. Now we're going to paste the only text box that we copied previously and change its numbering and change its header. And now select all of these text boxes and then group them. And the next thing we'll be doing is remove all of the text boxes from all of the slides and put each one of the relevant text box onto the slide while using Shift key. So this is all what we're going to do next is select all the four templates, go to transitions tab and give them morph transition. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and buy my templates from the Patreon link in the description below. Make sure to see my portfolio as well. Goodbye.